When the vaccine rollout started for seniors, I had been trying to secure a vaccine appointment for my dad, who's 73 years old.
Trying to find a vaccine for my mother, who's over 60 and has some pre-existing conditions.
She went to go sign up for her vaccine and she had a little trouble. The state website was kind of confusing to navigate.
So after I got them an appointment, I couldn't help but think maybe that there was an opportunity here to help make this process easier for other people.
So I took a look around the Massachusetts website, and basically, and a lot of states are doing the same thing, which is they just list all of the places that are giving vaccines and a website or contact email or phone number for them. And all of the websites and sign-up experiences are different.
All of the information was so fragmented. And so I knew that I had some skills and that I could hopefully, recruit other people with similar skills to build a site with me. And it turns out there were other people who had wanted to do that. And so we were all able to come together and get to work.
I'm a 25-year-old entrepreneur. I have a couple small businesses and I had some free time and I saw a problem and a point where I think I could make a little Band-Aid solution to make everyone better off and help people. So I started a vaccine hunter group in Colorado and I was like, why stop there? I decided that it might be beneficial to everyone to have a centralized area to find their local groups with the goal of crowdsourcing these excess vaccines that would otherwise be going to waste or end up in the trash.
This site pulls together vaccine availability appointments from a bunch of other websites. We have programs that monitor all of those other websites and pull that information down every few minutes, sort of regularly updating, and then on a minute-by-minute basis, show on our site a big list kind of at the top of anywhere that has available appointments to get the vaccine.
Everyone working on the site, including myself, we all have full-time jobs. We work on this when we get a free 15 minutes during our day, and then during the night, we spend a few hours.
People have been saying, you did this on maternity leave? I barely was able to brush my hair. And that was my experience with my first maternity leave. They both go to bed around the same time, so I get an hour or two in the evening. Then, while the baby's napping during the day, I'll sneak out the laptop. I would say that over the past 3-4 weeks, I've spent a little over 40 hours on it.
I just did a group count. We have 34 states and over 253,000 members across 46 groups. Whenever someone's like, I can't find an appointment, I need some help, they'll post on there and usually within 20 to 30 minutes, they are booked for an appointment for a vaccine.
We've had a few people who have written in saying that either their son or daughter used the site to get them an appointment to find information, or they were able to secure an appointment themselves, which is really heartwarming and exciting for us to hear.
It's been completely amazing how many people I've helped and how many people have reached out to me to share their stories. And so to anybody who might have a side project or is thinking about picking something up, I say, please find the time and go for it, because you'll be surprised, and have some faith.
Look, this is an emergency. We're in a crisis here, and a lot of people in a lot of organizations and government are working very, very hard on solving this problem. But it looked like there was one little piece that we could add to the puzzle and help make this a little easier for people to find the vaccines.